to do today. This is for my VSG surgery that will be happening on the 26th, but I do fly out late tonight, early morning to get to San Diego. If you don't know where I'm going, check my other videos and you will see. So I packed this bag and I did this video the day before yesterday. My camera died after like 50 minutes of footage, and then I had to do my iPad, which 13 minutes of footage is on there, plus an additional 16 minutes of footage because it said my storage got full and I had to change that. So far away, because I'm far away so you can't see it, so I'll read it. Alright, so you need proof of citizenship, like your original birth certificate and a valid ID, driver's license. You can also bring your passport. For clothes, you need loose-fitting clothes and comfortable, a bra, underwear, pajamas, warm socks, house slippers, and then, of course, your departure clothes. You want to make those easy to put on and some easy to slip on shoes. Alright, under personal items, they have cell phone charger, book, iPad, Kindle, whatever you need to keep yourself entertained while you wait for surgery. I picked my Kindle and my iPad. I was gonna pick my Steam Deck or my Nintendo Switch, but I felt that may have been a bit much. So, it says we do have Wi-Fi at the surgical center and recovery house. Reading glasses, no contacts for surgery, so I'm not even gonna whip those out. A small travel pillow you can hug on your flight back home, which my small travel pillow is going to be this guy right here. His name is Bojangles. This is the first bear my wife bought me, and I love him so much. I also did get a travel pillow though, but yeah, that may not make it. So the next thing you need is under pharmaceuticals. You need your gas X strips. You need your travel size toothpaste and toothbrush, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, lotion, deodorant, hairbrush, lip balm, your prescription medication in its original label jar, a pill crusher, extra gauze band-aids just in case you need them on your flight back home. And then if you're flying or driving back home, it says bring something you can mix with water or warm water, like Propel powder, like the little packets, Crystal Light packets, powder Gatorade. They say G2 has less sugar, powdered chicken broth, and they say it's very important to keep yourself hydrated, which of course it definitely is during that time period. So, we're going to start with the carry-on bag. So, this is my lady bag, is what I like to call it. So, inside of this bag, I have these little discs. If you ever heard of Flex, then you know what these are. I have heard from ladies in multiple groups that after surgery, they end up starting their menstrual cycle. So, I have these. And I actually have some inside my other bag too. I have multiple panty liners, and I have heard over and over and over again that you never trust a fart. So, diapers. I do have diapers in here. Hopefully I do not have to use these, but if I do, oh well, then I just do. I brought extras of everything just in case a surgery sister needed something that maybe she forgot to pack. Alright, so I have my belly binder here, although this was not on the recommended list. I picked this because I've seen so many people say that after surgery it feels like their guts are falling out, and it's a very weird feeling, and belly binders help them with feeling like they're not losing their abdomen. So I got a belly binder. I'm going to put that back here. I did grab a robe, and this is something that you don't necessarily have to bring. I saw a couple people mention that they brought robes to cover their butts when they were walking down the hallways in the surgery center, just to make sure, of course, their asses were covered. So I brought this to make sure my butt was covered as well, and I may or may not use it, but I'll let you know if I do. So these here are my pants, and you'll actually see these because I'll be recording videos while I'm there, but I'm not unrolling this stuff at all. So these are pants to this shirt, and this is going to be my after surgery outfit, because it's very, very big. I bought it a size larger or 2 sizes larger, I don't remember. But anyway, there's lots of room in here so that I am comfortable and that it doesn't push on my incisions, and I won't be in pain and asking for a lot of medication. These here are my fuzzy socks. I love fuzzy socks. I am bringing them with me because I don't know when I will use them. I don't know if I'll use them for walking. I don't know if I'll use them for just chilling in the bed. I don't know, but they make me feel comfortable, so I'm taking them. This is an extra like nightgown just in case I don't like the pants and the shirt situation, so I brought an extra nightgown for that. I have compression socks because I have been told that their compression socks are not very fat person friendly, and you would think that if you cater to bariatric patients or bigger people that your compression socks would be good. But I've seen people say that they have like marks in their legs and all the other type of stuff later. So of course lots of people are buying their own like these from Amazon and taking them with them. So I'm going to fold these back up. And as I fold these back up, I am extra, so I did go to eBay and I found like the ones that you get from the States, like the little ones that they Velcro over your leg and they squeeze and then they let go and then they squeeze and then they let go. I'll put a picture of them in the video later. But I got those for at home because I'm not going to be wearing those stockings everywhere all day. I'm not doing it. This is my going home outfit. Again, I'm not unrolling this. You'll see this when I do footage later. And it has long sleeves because I hear that after you have your surgery, you're very, very cold. So not only do I have this with long sleeves, let me pack this back down. I have this jacket to go with me, and it will go with me everywhere. My sister just passed away on October 12th, and this is her jacket. So I am taking this with me to keep me warm, covered, protected. Everything that she would have done had she been here, or all the way she would have made me feel had she been here. So this here is my dress that I am going to be wearing there. It is a spaghetti strap dress. Again, I have a jacket. But this one is nice and flowy, and I wanted something to make me feel comfortable going through the airport because the only time I've been to the airport was with my sister, and I just want to be comfortable and not very anxious, which I know I'm already gonna be. So I'm just trying to keep myself comforted and make sure my nerves are okay. So I'm actually gonna take this out of the bag because I'm gonna need that tonight. Mm-hmm. This is a second set of compression socks. I don't know if I need the second set, but I like to overpack sometimes, and I feel like it's better to be safe than sorry. Now these are more socks. These are the Groovy socks, and they're black, so I don't mind wearing these around the hospital floor, the recovery house floor. I really don't care because they are black versus the baby blue ones that, you know, would get extremely dirty very quick. So I'm gonna put that back in there. And that is what I have at the bottom of my suitcase. Now at the top of the suitcase, I have a little zipper part. And my mom tried to do this for me. She really did. But my mom just kind of threw stuff in there, and I had to stop her because she was she was making it a disaster. Let me turn this around. Actually, I'll turn it this way. So this is a humidifier. And yes, this is extra. No, you do not need it. But this is gonna make me feel a little bit more comfortable. This is my niece's, and I am feeling it temporarily, so this is gonna make me comfortable. As you can see, I am basically taking parts of my family members with me to make me feel more comfortable. So, got that. In here, I have an extra pair of glasses. I actually found these yesterday. I did not even remember that I had these, that these were not cracked, they were not broken or anything. It looks like the only thing about them is that this side has like the zebra print and this side does not, so I guess it peeled off. And I guess I decided they were ugly at that point. But these glasses are very, very old. And I am surprised that when I put them on, I saw in like 20/20 vision, and it's time for me to go get a new prescription anyway, but these were perfect, so I'm bringing these just because. This is a hair thing to keep my hair down. I might wear this the whole time, I don't know, but I have it. I'm gonna put that down there. Of course, plenty of underwear and things. I think I got, let me see, 2, 3, 4 pairs of underwear, and I've got 1, 2, 3 bras, and a correction, 5 pairs of underwear. And then I have this little sleep mask. I have read from people in the A Slimmer Me group and in the other group I'm in called I Left My Stomach in Mexico. The surgery center has lots of light, and the recovery house has lots of light. And even when it's nighttime, the lights are still on, and they could, bother you going to sleep. So I don't know if that's going to be a problem for me since I'm going to be in a new area, but I'm bringing them. They were like $1 on Temu. So no money lost if I don't use them, technically. Alright, so I'm going to close this section up. Then we have the final section in this carry-on here. This section here is kind of empty. I have my toiletries bag here, and I have my shoes bag. This bag is going to, let me open it. This bag has my shower shoes in there, and I want to make sure that I keep them in a separate bag and away from my clothes because germs. So that is in its own bag. I do have these slippers. If I can find the other one. Perfect. My wife also bought me these slippers. Yes, I may be a little spoiled, but I love fuzzy, fluffy things, as you can see. So I'm going to put these in here because I'm going to wear them. I don't know where. I think I might wear them around the recovery house. I'm not entirely sure, but I definitely know I want to wear them on the way back. I'm only wearing sneakers there just because, but I want everything after surgery to be really, really smooth, so that's something that I can stick my feet into, which would be really cool. So, for the toiletry bag. I have not packed a toiletry bag and I don't know when, so I don't really know what goes in a toiletry bag, but we'll go over what I have in mind. So, I have Band-Aids. These are for the incisions. So they said to bring extras, so I have extras, and I do have some gauze because they said to bring gauze, but if I remember to go get them out of my closet, I will. If I don't, then I won't. These are motion sickness patches that you can put behind your ear or on your navel. They work for 72 hours. These are gas X. I heard that a lot of people got relief with these, and of course they're on my to-pack list, so I got 2 of these, and believe it or not, I actually have some of these in my carry-on backpack that I forgot about, so I'll just have extra, whatever. If somebody needs some, then they can have some. This is actually a 3rd motion sickness patch. I forgot about that one, but that one was hidden away. Oh look, overpacker 4. Alright, so these are iodine swabs. So these, I'm going to use these to help to make sure that my incisions are clean and not infected and everything. So I have these little iodine swabs that I got from Temu, and you just crack it at the top where the orange line is, and it dwindles down to this little area here, and you just wipe and then you can throw it away. These are my ACT dry mouth lozenges. I have heard that people, once you come out of surgery, your mouth is very, very dry, and of course you can't eat or drink anything, but you can suck on these. So I brought these as a precaution. I've heard that people have brought them and they were nasty, that they ended up not using them at all, but I was able to get them for cheap, so whatever, no money lost. These are Clorox disinfectant wipes. I don't think they need an explanation. Lysol Travel to Go spray can. I don't think that needs an explanation. Hip Cleanse. Again, I don't think that needs an explanation. Everybody knows that this is a surgical wash basically for your body. So there it goes. I did also bring, or well, I will also be bringing my Pure Castile soap. By Dr. Bronner's. This is lavender because I love the smell. I love the tingle. If you've used them, you know about it. If you haven't, where have you been? So, this is lip gloss because it hurts your lips get chapped. I got this from Temu as well. This is my portable bidet. I have heard that women have problems after they use the bathroom with the incisions and everything, and not being able to fully wipe or clean themselves. I don't want those issues, so I brought this to help with that. These are disposable toilet seat covers. These are not the ones I intended to get. I wanted the ones that were like, I don't even know what you call it. Babe, what word am I looking for? Elastic. I was looking for the ones that were elastic, but they sent me like the real ones that are in the bathroom at Walmart. So whatever. If I use them, great. If I don't, then I don't. They were like 84 cents on Temu. This is a tongue scraper, tongue cleaner, because this is very important so that your breath doesn't stink. So I don't think that really needs too much explanation. I have these. I got these from Temu. I've heard that they have like the bath towels and stuff, but they don't have like hand towels. So I got all of these hand towels and they expand, and it's really cool how they expand, but I can use these. So I brought a whole pack. I also have my microfiber cleaning cloth for my glasses because they can get dirty. So I put that in there. Here's the zipper part I didn't even use. I don't think I need it though. Sure, I can find some things to put in there. But, just that fast, I found some things to put in there. I'll put my motion sickness patches in there, and I will put my Band-Aids in there, and then I will throw all this stuff back in here. And I know my toothbrush and toothpaste should be in here. And that is the reason why I'm going over this bag, because as you can see, I got stuff everywhere. I have my toothpaste and toothbrush somewhere. I just don't know where it is. But I'll put it in this bag when I find it so that I know where it is. Alright, and so once I stick this in here, I'll have extra room, and the extra room is for the medication that I'll be getting once I'm there. They allow us to go to the pharmacy, but they also, for an extra $150, if you buy the basic package, they'll give you all the meds you need. So you need to make sure you have room for that. So I have room for that there. So on to the backpack. I do, and it belongs in that bag, but yeah, I'm gonna do it once I find it. Alright, so in the bottom of this, or in the first one, I have my pill cutter, and it is a crusher, and what is it? A pill cutter, a crusher, and I don't know. I don't remember. But it does have these little things here that you can take out and put back in, and you can like put your crush powder in there and label them so you'll know exactly what crushed stuff it is. For the first 3 days, they recommend that you take all of your medications crushed. So yeah, me and this thing are gonna probably have a love-hate relationship. They tell you to bring your medication in the bottle, your prescribed meds. So I have that here. These are the stickers for the crushed meds. More prescribed meds. Here is some poopery because when you get to the recovery house, you share a bathroom, and I don't want to smell anyone's butt, and I don't want anyone to smell my butt. So common courtesy. Here you go, poopery. I have some berry flavored Tylenol, which I don't think I'm gonna use, but again, I'm an overpacker. Better to be safe than sorry. I have the Listerine Cool Strips. These I have read tons and tons of times that before you take the leak test, if you put one of these in your tongue before you drink the nasty concoction that they make you drink, that you may survive the night. It's people who have not had these. There have been varying degrees of, oh, you know, it was okay, but I would prefer it to taste different, all the way to it gave me diarrhea and I was in the bathroom all night. So I'm taking this just so I can see if it's gonna help me survive through the night. So I also have chapstick. This is Total Hydration from Chapstick. I like this one better than the Timu one, but you can never be too sure about which one is gonna work for you afterwards. Again, this is the Extra Gas X I told you guys about. This is the extra Listerine breast strips, just in case a surgery sister or a brother doesn't have one and needs one. So as you can see, I brought a couple of extra things just in case to kind of share. And then I need to put my flash drive in here because I want my surgeon to record my surgery so that I can have it for later purposes of my own, as well as entering in some of the clips to some of my videos. I think that would be cool on the return video. And this is the clip. It's made by, not the clip, the flash drive is made by PNY. 128 gigabytes. I think I got it for $8.99 on Amazon. So yeah, I'll put the link in the description if you want that. Alright, on to the next zipper. So this is where I have, I guess this is my, I don't know what I want to call this section. This section has a lot going on. So I have 3 of these Gatorade protein glacier little packs. You put these in 16.9 ounces of water. It says to use a shaker, but I mean a bottle is just as good. Just shake it really good. I have the strawberry starch fruit. I have liquid strawberry lemonade for the Crystal Light. And that's going to be it for what I have as far as like drinks and stuff. I have this extra extender thing just in case I decide to record it on my cell phone. I'm going to stick this in my toiletry bag. This is my, I call it my Gupta perfume. And I'm going to put this in here. Right, and so this here in this little baggie, this is Vital Oil. And I like this because it keeps your skin nice and smooth. After I had my first baby, I used this and it did decrease some of the stretch marks, but of course you have to use it consistently. So yeah, I still have them. So I'm just gonna put them in a bag by themselves so that they can not spill on anything. Now this little spray bottle here is for my hair because my hair gets really dry and I don't like to do anything to it but spray it, shake it, and go. So yeah, I'm lazy in that aspect. So this is my spray bottle for my hair. Yeah, so that's it for that. Let's go into the next one. Alright, so in here I have my daytime face wash and I have my nighttime face wash. These are trials from Curology when they were doing like the trials for like $7. And I have been had this for a while, and I make sure to use very, 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 very little amounts when I use these, so that these little travel sizes can last as long as a big size would. So, because I'm not paying $148 a month for this. That's just, no. So, yeah. Next, I have a, this is my envelope with my marriage license in here and my birth certificate. My wife jokes with me all the time that my birth certificate looks like the Declaration of Independence. So, yes, it is old, but it works. It does the job. And if you hear that noise in the background, that's her laughing. But, again, it does the job. So, I have that just in case. I do have my, let me grab this. Oh, look, more motion sickness patches. Alright, so I do have my, Samsung charger block in here. I actually have another one too, but, I don't know what happened to it. I'll find it. My mom literally just bought it from me yesterday. Alright, so then I have more of these flex things in here because, again, you can never be too prepared. And those normally last 12 hours, but yeah. This is my toddler spoon. I'm taking this with me because I know they'll be giving us broth, and we can also buy our own broth and stuff. And it's better to get acquainted with using this toddler spoon now versus later, because I hear toddler plates and utensils make you feel better versus the big size plates making you feel like you're not eating anything, and then it tricks your brain into thinking that you're hungry. So I have my baby spoon. I have nothing in that pack. And then what is this? It's my second toiletry bag. So in here I have little wipes that you can, let me open it. See, they have little things in here. You can just pull one out and you put it in the middle of your hand and you just wipe it together, and it will lather while you are washing your hands. Got that from Temu as well. I have a travel size native deodorant. The only travel size I could find was coconut and vanilla. I hate the smell of coconuts, but this was the only one they had. I normally use the lavender one, but whatever. So, I also have my Listerine in here, purple pine. I have my Crest in here, and I have my portable toothbrush in here that my mom found for me. Does this thing even open? It's got kind of a little resistance. Alright, so I got those. And then, of course, separately, I have more of those washcloths from Temu. See, they look like the size of like a little piece of candy or something. But they fold much bigger. I'm not going to show you that. Buy some and you can see. Alright. So, I'm going to put that in there. So the next thing I have in one of my pockets. This is my second charger block. Cute little red one. And my mom just got that for me, so I'm going to put that down here with my other charger block. I have Febreze room spray. Again, I don't want to smell anybody, but I don't want to smell anything that I don't need to smell. Even if it's natural stuff that the hospital smells like, I don't want to smell it. So I have this original scent, Febreze Fabric to Go, so I can spray this in the air and feel nice and clean. This is my Apple Watch band. I'm taking this with me. I'm actually going to switch from the one that I have because this one has all types of, I don't know what you call them, but there's like jade and stuff in here and things to calm you down, things for anxiety or whatever. And basically it just has good vibes. That's the intent of it. So I'm going to use this instead. I'm like an old lady. I will lose my glasses and I will keep looking for them and they'll be right next to me. So my wife told me that I should get some of these. So I did buy these a long time ago, and these are the little holders that you put in your glasses so that they can just kind of hang like a little necklace. And I had lost them, and I was so sad because I actually liked them. So I found them. So I'm going to use these as well. So I'm going to put these back in there. This other pocket is empty. It is. And let's check the other pocket. It is not empty. Alright. So I have, let me see, 4 of these. If I'm not mistaken, these last up to 18 hours. Yes. These last up to 18 hours. So we were told in the group, and in the group by everybody, including the coordinators and everything, due to an idiot who went to a slimmer me and burned her incisions, not paying attention to her heating blanket. We can't bring heating blankets anymore. So this is my workaround. These little patches to kind of sit them over my incisions and see how well they work. They're air activated. And yeah, so those are my workaround items because of the stupidity of others. So let me put this back in here. I'll put these in this toilet bag because they'll fit. And then we have the last piece on this. And this is basically where my charger blocks, as you can see, and my charger cords go. I have another one here, and then I have 2 more that I'm going to take, but I'm not going to pack them until later because I will be using them. This is my Kindle. I did charge it up. Hopefully I can read while I'm away. I also plan to do some schoolwork while I'm away, so we'll see which one of them wins. I have a feeling I know which one it's going to be. Alright, so I also have a travel, what's this called? A fan, and it has multiple temperatures. I don't want to say I stole this from my sister because she had already passed away. She just left this in her car. But we'll say she donated it to me. So I have this that my sister donated to me, and I'm going to take that with me just in case I get hot on the way there. Alright, and so that's pretty much it. I'm going to take my bear and stuff him inside when it's time for me to do so. I did tell you guys that I had a pillow. This is my neck pillow. It also came with another blindfold, and it came with some earplugs, so that'll be cool. But I have my AirPods. My AirPod Pros, so they cancel out noise very well as well. So I don't think I'll need those, but again, whatever. They came with it, just pack it. This right here is my extension cord. It's been with us for a while, so it's been through some things, so that's why it looks like this, but whatever, it works. So I'm going to put this in the bag back here with all of my cords. And I do have some extra long cords to begin with for my cell phone and my my iPad and all the other good stuff. So the extension cord will really help with that because I'll be able to access it all. So I do not think I'm forgetting anything at this moment. So I think that that's going to be the end of the video, guys. I wanted to make sure I did this video because I watched a ton of packing videos during this process. I've been doing it for months. I even wrote to my wife in, and we would watch them before we went to sleep. And so we went to sleep thinking about packing and stuff like that. So that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and tuning into my SleeveSavvyT channel. Like, share, subscribe, comment. do what you will. And I just appreciate you watching this video. I appreciate your support. And if you have any stories you'd like to share, any questions you'd like to ask about it, I am open to everything. I will be doing a lot of Instagram snippets and stuff while I'm gone, because it's so much easier to do the stuff from your phone and edit it from your phone. It's a pain in the ass doing it from your camera, because you have to put it to the computer and everything, and I'm not bringing a computer. So the full video you'll see once I return, but I will have snippets and stuff on my TikTok and on my Instagram, and I'll post those in the comments as well. Alright, bye you guys.